Hey people, Dino is here. What's up, guys? Here you go. This is a video about Saint-Tropez, famous village where the rich people come. You see those poor people, aka rich people. They are they're parking their little boats here to show off. You know, they got their personal bodyguards and stuff and everything. So Saint-Tropez, I don't know, a small village. You can see it, small village. Everything is expensive as fuck, but those yachts are kind of impressive. They're big, especially on the other side. So you can imagine how much money those guys have. And you know, this is the rich man's world. You see on the right side. I don't know if you watch the Gendarme in Saint-Tropez. You gotta watch that movie. It's from year 64. It's awesome movie, French movie, and it was shot right here, guys. So check out the other side. So if you wanna eat, you got so many places to eat. And I noticed that there is a lot of bikes and scooters. Look how many are there. And of course, because before I got here, I was in traffic jam for 2 hours. Almost, I thought I'm gonna lose my mind. So my first choice, if I would live here, it would be scooter, like in Ljubljana. So with a car, guys, I don't recommend you, but if you have to, you know, take your time. Take your time. So see, guys, the yachts are here. We got a good feasting here, big feast. So those are the big ones. The big ones are here. I wouldn't mind if I would have a small one, you know, but the big ones. So this is Saint-Tropez, guys. As I said, I would be happy if I would have this Beluga 125 from year 60. It's Yamaha, goddammit. Yamaha is kind of like king here in scooters. And check out this shit, guys. Check it. Oh my god, I never saw this before. That's a Renault DZ. I never saw this before. Oh my god, it's so old here. It has a spider nest. Nice. There you go, guys, check it out. So it's not unusual to see Ferraris, Lamborghinis here like this. You see, this one is the most beautiful one. They even have a guard. They even have a guard. You know, I tried to sneak in, but they threw me out. I'm joking. Check out those ones. Look at this one. This one has sails. It's kind of fancy shit. So yes, Saint-Tropez. If anybody wanna get here, this is not the place like for a romantic stuff or something like that. It's overcrowded like all those touristic cities, guys. Over goddamn crowded. Okay, this is little from me, guys, Saint-Tropez. So see you in the next town. Okay? See you, bye. See you, bye.